Hello and welcome to another video from Travel with Charlie and Friends, and we're on St Kitts and we're about to board the Scenic Railway. Boop boop. In total this trip takes 3 hours and it is 30 miles in total, 18 miles on the train on the northeast coast and 12 miles by bus to complete the journey around the whole of the island. This narrow gauge railway was originally built between 1912 and 1926 and it was built to transport sugarcane around the island. It is always best to check the timetable when booking this trip, as it is a single line railway, so therefore it might be a bit of a wait if you just turn up and don't book in advance. And we'll put more details in the description box below. I only did the train part of the tour, so that's all you're going to see on this video, the scenic train journey. And we had complimentary drinks and plenty of little snacks, local snacks, on board the train. And we're going to take you now on a journey along on the train, so sit back and enjoy.
Sugar industry, the value of sugar would be weighed in gold and oil.
And as we travel along, there is a narration which you can probably hear in the background on that little clip just now, and we'll put more details about the history of this scenic railway on the description box below. And you can see an example there of a old sugar plantation with the old windmill and the smokestack next to it, where they would boil down the sugarcane and the smoke would come out. Beware of monkeys, look out for them around this side of the island. And if you don't want to sit upstairs, you can go and sit downstairs, which has rattan chairs and a carpeted floor and a restroom, and also it is air conditioned. Listen to the squeaking of the wheels as the train bobs along. And staff on here were fantastic. How that lady keeps her balance to serve everyone drinks, I have no idea. But she did, and we had lots of free cocktails and drinks. Well, they're not free, they were included in the price of going on this, and we'll include the prices of this down below. And it's now time for a bit of entertainment. Fantastic piece of dancing there. I wonder how many of them have fallen over the sides over the years. Those were the Jumby dancers with the traditional headdress. And the feathers represent African, British and Native American traditions. And the plastic looks like it represents a butcher's shop. those people who are eagle-eyed may notice that some of these clips are not in the correct order, so I apologise for that. And that does come to the end of this little video, a taster of the Scenic Railway in St Kitts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, bye bye for now.